Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing this 6K camera that you can pick up on Amazon from Yatao, and I'm going to be going over my favorite things about it, things to just keep in mind when buying this product, and we're going to go over all of the separate features of the camera. So first of all, I absolutely love that it comes with two separate lenses that are super easy to take on and put off. So you have this like different view fisheye look to it, and you can just unscrew it like this. And then you can use it as a camera like that as well. To turn on, incredibly easy. You just press the power on button and you can see that the screen turns on. For the value, this is an insanely great camera. It shoots in 6K. It has like every single feature that you would ever want. It has camera, it has like video recording, it has dual motion, slow motion, time lapse, you name it. Incredible. And my favorite thing about it is it comes with all the actual extra gadgets you would need. It has, let me show you. It has this nice microphone that you can attach to it so that it has like cleaner audio, which is awesome, especially for vlogging. It has this SD card reader that can you put into your phone and then put the SD card in here. These are awesome. Like once you get one of these, life's changed. The battery pack can be charged on this thing. It has two batteries, which is great because that way you can just run on the go and then have an extra pack in case it runs out of battery. And straps, which I don't personally use, but I think is great to have as an option, as an add-on that you can add onto your camera like this. And as I mentioned, it comes with a separate lens as well and protectors for the lens. So let it actually go through the camera. So as you can see, there's a screen here that you can see the camera with, and check this out, you can see my 6 setup. But if I flip it like this, we can also turn the camera like this so you can see what you're recording yourself, so you can take videos, which is awesome for vlogging. That's one of my biggest complaints about some cameras. They don't really have that like viewfinder that you can see here where you can actually see what you're doing, which honestly, if you've taken videos or photos, like this way you don't actually need someone to like help you set up a tripod or anything like that. So super awesome. The quality, I wish you could see how crispy it is, but it turns out chef's kiss. It has great focus. It has autofocus features. It has anything you'd ever want. You can like really adjust it and customize it to exactly your needs, which is awesome. So if you are in the market for a new vlogging camera in general, this is a great gift. Great for yourself, for your friends, anything in between. This gets an absolute 10 out of 10 for me.